Welcome to KM Autos, the ultimate destination where speed, style, and innovation collide. This is where legends are reborn, where machines aren't just reviewed, they are. For years, the GT-R badge has stood tall as one of the most feared and respected names in the automotive world. From the streets of Tokyo to the Nürburgring, the GT-R has carved its name into history. And now, in 2025, Nissan raises the curtain on the next chapter, the R37 Nismo. This isn't just another GT-R. It's a refined weapon, sharper, faster, smarter, and more aggressive than ever before. At first glance, the R37 Nismo demands attention. The front end features a redesigned grille with increased airflow, improved cooling, and razor-sharp lines. The hood, fenders, roof, and rear wing are all carbon fiber, shaving off weight while adding racing DNA to every inch of this monster. The new LED light signature is bold, futuristic, and unmistakably GT-R. The body is sculpted with function in mind. Aerodynamics, grip, and stability, every inch of this machine was born for speed. Underneath that carbon fiber hood is the heart of the legend. The 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, hand-assembled by Nissan's Takumi master builders, is more ferocious than ever. This is no ordinary engine. It's evolved with tech inspired directly from GT3 race cars. With upgraded turbochargers, enhanced cooling, and optimized boost control, the R37 Nismo now produces a jaw-dropping 610 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 in a blistering 2.6 seconds. Let that sink in. You're not driving a car. You're launching a missile. The R37 channels all that power through a lightning-fast 6-speed dual-clutch transmission and Nissan's legendary all-wheel drive system. The ATTES system constantly adjusts torque distribution, giving you surgical control in corners and brutal traction off the line. Whether you're carving canyons, attacking the racetrack, or just flexing on the highway, the GT-R R37 delivers pure domination. Inside, the cockpit has transformed into a high-tech war room. The dashboard features a fully digital cluster with customizable telemetry, performance gauges, and real-time G-force readings. Recaro racing seats hug you tight, with Alcantara and red stitching giving it a premium motors. And as we wrap up, one thing is clear, this isn't just the next GT-R. It's a symbol, a machine crafted from legacy, fearlessness, and passion. In an era shifting toward silence, the GT-R R37 Nismo is a thunderclap. Loud, proud, unapologetically raw, Nissan didn't just build another sports car, they built a farewell gift to a dying breed. And what a gift it is. This is KM Autos, and we salute the king of the streets one more time. Subscribe for more automotive emotion, because the next story might be electric, but this one will echo forever. The GT-R R37 Nismo just punched every EV in the face with 600+ horses and a titanium scream that'll haunt your dreams. This is no eco-toy, it's a war machine. And it's here to remind everyone that combustion still rules. Subscribe to KM Autos and stick around, because if this is war, we're riding with Godzilla. Now let's address the real question, how does the R37 stack up against rivals? Against the Porsche 911 Turbo S, the GT-R fights fire with fury. Against the Audi R8, it wins on grip and heritage. And when it comes to price to performance, GT-R stays untouchable. No fluff, just full-blown power at a fraction of the price. This isn't a garage queen. It's a beast meant to be unleashed. So if you're still asking which supercar is king, step aside. Godzilla has arrived.